I think the best phase of our life, our childhood. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ramji Kuswa. I am the student of class 10th. My school name is Saraswati Vidya Mandir Inter College Pali Hardoi. Today, I am very happy because today is Children's Day. Children's Day is special to children like me. Children's Day in India is celebrated every year on 14 November. My English teacher given me this opportunity to speak on Children's Day. This day is also known as Bal Divas. It marks the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much, so children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. He always believed that children are the future of our country. Nehru once said, "The children of today will make the future of our country. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. So children should be raised with love and care." The main purpose behind Children's Day is to spread awareness about child rights, child care and child education in the country. Thank you.
A very good morning to everyone. I am Dinesh Chauhan from SBM Inter College, Pali Hardoi. This speech is being delivered in the presence of my English educator, Mr. Ashutosh Tiwari sir. We all know that it is Children's Day today, and 14th of November is known as Children's Day, which was the birthday anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Indian Prime Minister. He loved children dearly and believed they held the future of the India are the future of India. He believed that they held the future of India. Pandit Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Chacha Nehru had a vision of a world where children can grow, learn and achieve big things without any limitations. So this day is a reminder for all of us to create a world where a child can grow, shine and learn everything. So let's celebrate this day with joy and happiness and with a commitment to make the world better for every child. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Bhavna. I read in class 11. My school name is Saraswati Vidya Mandir Pali Hardoi. My English teacher name is Mr. Ashutosh Tiwari. Today I am very happy. My topic is Children Day. We celebrate Children Day in India on 14 November every year. India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born in Allahabad on 14 November 1889. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, popularly known as Chacha Nehru. Chacha Nehru for children.
Good morning, all of you. So, dear respected principal, all teachers. My name is Indresh Chauhan. I read in class 10 in SBM Inter College. Thank you for giving me this opportunity by the Ashutosh Tiwari sir. And again, thank you very much, sir. Today is a Children's Day. This day of happiness. Children are the future of our nation. Today, Pandit Nehru was born 14 November 1889. Pandit Nehru was a great freedom fighter of our India. Pandit Nehru served 17 years as a Prime Minister of India. Pandit Nehru was a greatest man of India. Thank you.